Yeah, and it's deep enough that a person 6 feet and over can jump.
Okay.
Yeah.
You wouldn't advise non-swimmers to jump.
No, we have non-swimmers that come and do jump because
Okay.
that's why they
You have
they
the
get a
life
guide. Yes.
right, and the life vest.
Yeah.
Okay.
They have the life vest and the guys also are fully certified. They're
Okay.
certified tour guides
Right.
and lifeguards.
Okay, so certified tour guide and lifeguard are
Yes.
included in the
Yes.
admission cost.
Yes.
All right, so everybody's comfortable,
Yes. So
whether
we
you
don't
can
allow
swim or
them
not.
on the river without a guide.
Right. Okay.
For their safety.
Right. Naturally. Okay, that sounds good.
That's a one food.
Okay.
So that's the first drop.
Yeah.
Then them come here so one more drop. Just a deep, and then come.